Hello everyone. Welcome back to Better Homes Designs, the channel dedicated to finding the most innovative and jaw-dropping architectural marvels on the planet. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we are diving into a housing trend that has taken the architectural world by storm, the modern barndominium. Essentially, a barndominium, or barndo for short, is a steel or wood-framed building that combines a living space with a large, functional area, traditionally resembling a barn or workshop. While the concept began as a practical solution for farmers and ranchers, the modern barndominium has evolved into a high-end luxury residence. It maintains the iconic high ceilings, gabled roofs, and expansive footprints of traditional barns, but infuses them with sleek materials, massive glass windows, and sophisticated finishes. It is the perfect marriage of industrial strength and contemporary elegance. One of the primary reasons homeowners are flocking to modern barndominiums is their incredible durability and low maintenance. Because many are built with high-quality steel, they are remarkably resistant to fire, termites, and extreme weather conditions compared to traditional timber frame homes. Beyond the structural integrity, barndominiums offer unparalleled floor plan flexibility. Without the need for many load-bearing interior walls, you can create massive, open-concept living areas with soaring vaulted ceilings that make even a modest square footage feel palatial. Additionally, they are often more cost-effective and faster to construct, allowing you to achieve a custom, luxury look without the decade-long wait or the astronomical price tag of a conventional custom build. To make your modern barndominium exterior truly stand out, focus on the rule of contrast and the use of natural textures. Start by choosing a bold primary color for your siding, such as charcoal gray, matte black, or crisp white, and pair it with warm wood accents like cedar porch pillars or wooden garage doors to soften the industrial edge. Lighting plays a massive role. Use oversized gooseneck barn lights or sleek up and down LED sconces to highlight the vertical lines of the siding. Don't forget the landscaping. Structured flower beds, stone pathways, and manicured lawns help ground the massive structure and create a welcoming transition from the rugged exterior to the cozy interior. Adding a wraparound porch or a large outdoor seating area with a stone fireplace can also transform a simple metal building into a sophisticated estate. When it comes to styling your barndominium, there are three dominant directions that never fail to impress. The industrial chic style is perfect for those who love raw elements, featuring exposed steel beams, polished concrete floors, and large black-framed garage-style glass walls. If you prefer something softer, the modern farmhouse style uses white board and batten siding, shiplap interiors, and rustic wooden beams to create a cozy, timeless atmosphere. For the boldest among us, the ultra-modern minimalist style focuses on sharp geometric shapes, mono-pitched roofs, and a monochromatic color palette, stripping away ornamentation to let the sheer scale of the architecture do the talking. No matter which you choose, the key is to embrace the open space and let natural light be your primary accessory. Now for the moment you've been waiting for. Let's walk through the top 10 best modern barndominium house ideas and pull out the best design elements from each one that showcase the potential of this building method. One, the Midnight Monolith. This striking two-story barndominium features a bold, deep charcoal vertical siding that commands attention against the greenery. The massive central window array is the focal point, designed to flood the interior with natural light while creating a glowing lantern effect at night. The symmetrical wings on either side provide sheltered porch space, making it a perfect example of balanced, modern architecture. 2. The classic Midnight Ranch. a sprawling single-story design that emphasizes horizontal lines and a massive footprint. The dark metal roof and siding are beautifully complemented by warm, honey-toned wooden porch columns that wrap around the entire front of the home. This look is perfect for those who want a low-profile aesthetic that still feels incredibly grand and spacious. 3. The Luxury Pavilion Estate. This design showcases the L-shaped Barndominium layout, creating a private backyard oasis. It features an expansive outdoor kitchen and dining area under a deep overhang supported by elegant timber trusses. The mix of stone masonry on the outdoor fireplace and the clean white siding creates a sophisticated, multi-textured look that defines high-end country living. 4. The Royal Blue Industrialist. Breaking away from grayscale, this Barndominium utilizes a stunning deep blue metal siding that changes character with the sunlight. The prominent gabled entry with exposed timber framing adds a touch of traditional craftsmanship to a very modern, metallic structure. It's a bold choice for homeowners looking to make a unique statement in their neighborhood. 5. The Warm Glow Farmhouse. This design proves that metal homes can be incredibly inviting. The olive drab or taupe siding is paired with warm interior lighting that spills out through numerous large windows. The elevated brick porch and meticulously designed garden beds with integrated lighting create a homey and established feel, perfect for a family retreat. 6. The Grand White Manor. A breathtaking take on the modern farmhouse Barndominium. This home uses bright white board and batten siding to create a clean, airy appearance. The wide front porch and symmetrical window placement give it a stately, almost colonial vibe, while the metal roof and stone chimney maintain its rugged, durable Barndo roots. 7. The Rustic Timber Barn. For those who love the traditional look, this design uses dark, weathered-looking siding paired with massive sliding barn doors in a natural wood finish. The inclusion of a stone fireplace chimney and Adirondack chairs out front creates a perfect lodge atmosphere, proving that Barndominiums can be the ultimate cozy getaway. 8. The Red Steel Masterpiece. A nod to the traditional red barn, but with a futuristic twist. This Barndominium features an incredible glass-fronted great room that exposes the interior loft and a massive floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace. The soaring roofline and open-air patio make this the ultimate home for entertaining and enjoying panoramic views. 9. The Social Gathering Hub. This stunning design highlights the Barndominium's capacity for indoor-outdoor living. It features a high-contrast white gabled center with dark gray wings, creating a magnificent focal point for social gatherings. With a built-in fire pit area and a grand outdoor dining setup, this design perfectly illustrates how the Barndominium architecture can facilitate a vibrant, communal lifestyle. 10. The Modern Angled Studio. This design steps away from the traditional gable and embraces a contemporary shed roof style. The use of large glass garage doors allows the living space to open up completely to the outdoors, making it an ideal choice for a workshop home hybrid or a modern artist studio. The gray metallic finish keeps it looking sharp and professional. The modern Barndominium is more than just a passing trend. It is a lifestyle choice that prioritizes freedom, durability, and personal expression. Whether you are drawn to the industrial strength of steel or the cozy charm of a farmhouse aesthetic, the Barndo offers a blank canvas to build the home of your dreams. Thank you for joining us as we explored these incredible designs and tips for creating your own sanctuary. If you found these Barndominium ideas inspiring, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Better Homes Designs for more architecture and interior design inspiration. Which of the 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss a tour of the world's most beautiful homes.